Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths, lesson 5, coordinate geometry. This is a continuation for previous video. Now I explain exercise 5.3, the 12th sum. Find the equation of a line whose intercept on the x and y axis are given below. So, here x intercept and y intercept are given. We find the equation of a line. So, we write the solution in the first line given x intercept is equal to 4, that is we consider A, and y intercept is minus 6, that is B. So, equation of a line in intercept form is x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. So, this is the equation for the line in intercept form. Here we substitute the value for the given value. So, x divided by 4 plus y divided by minus 6 is equal to 1. So, here x divided by 4, then plus into minus y divided by 6 is equal to 1. So, here take LCM now. 6 into x, 6x minus 4 into y, 4y divided by 6 4s are 24 is equal to 1. So, here we take in 2 in common, the remaining is 3x minus 2y divided by 24 is equal to 1. Here 1 2s are 2, 12 2s are 24. So, we multiply into the right hand side, 12 into 1, 12. So, 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. Then 3x minus 2y. So, move into the left hand side, we have minus 12 equal to 0. So, 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So, this is the equation for the 12th one. The second sum given minus 5 comma 3 divided by 4. Here we consider x intercept is equal to minus 5, that is A. Then y intercept is equal to 3 divided by 4, that is we consider B. So, the equation of a line in intercept form is x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. So, we find substitute the value for the given equation. We have x divided by minus 5 plus y divided by 3 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So, we simplify this equation. The first step, 4 is multiplied into y. We have x divided by minus 5 plus 4y divided by 3 is equal to 1. So, we take LCM, 3 into x, 3x minus 5 into 4 minus 20y divided by 3 into minus 5, we have minus 15. So, here minus is here minus 3x. So, minus x into 3 minus 3x, then 5 into 4 plus 20y, then 5 3s are 15 is equal to 1. So, minus 3x plus 20y is equal to plus 15 is go that side. 1 into 15 we have 15. So, minus 3x plus 20y minus 15 equal to 0. So, multiply into the minus, we have 3x minus 20y plus 15 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. So on the 13th one, find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. So the equation lines are given, so we find the intercept. So first we write the solution. The first line is 3x minus 2y. So the constant term is moved into the right hand side. We have plus 6. So here in the right hand side we have 6. So divided by 6 on both sides. Then 3x divided by 6 minus 2y divided by 6 is equal to 6 divided by 6. So here simplify into 3 table. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So x divided by 2 minus y divided by 3 is equal to 1. So x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1. So here we change it to the intercept form. X divided by 2 plus y divided by minus 3 is equal to 1. So comparing the equation of intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here a is equal to 2, that is x intercept. Then b is equal to minus 3, that is y intercept. So in the 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, the equation of the straight line in x intercept is 2 and y intercept is minus 3. So given line is 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, we find the intercept for the equation of the line. So first the constant term move into the right hand side. We have 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 12. So here is the constant term is minus 12 on the right hand side. So divided into minus 12 on both sides, we have 4x divided by minus 12 plus 3y divided by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 12. So simplify into the fourth table. 1 4s are 4, then 3 4s are 12. So x divided by minus 3 plus 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So y divided by minus 4. Then minus 1 divided by minus 12, we have 1. So comparing the intercept form, x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Here a is equal to minus 3, that is x intercept, and b is equal to minus 4, that is y intercept. So the equation of the line in intercept form is the x-intercept is minus 3, y-intercept is minus 4. So this is the solution for the 13th one. So the 14th is given. Find the equation of the straight line. The first one is passing through 1 comma minus 4 and has intercept which are in the ratio a is to b is equal to 2 is to 5. So here passing through the points and the intercept is given. So we find the equation of the straight line. So the required line is passing through 1 comma minus 4 and as intercept in the ratio is 2 is to 5. So here a is to b is equal to 2 is to 5. So here we change the ratio into the divided form. A divided by b is equal to 2 divided by 5. So here b is equal to, we find the b value, that is a 5a divided by 2 is equal to b. So this is the value for the b. So always equation of the line in intercept form is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. So here x divided by a is x divided by a plus y divided by b value is 5a divided by 2. So applying this value in here, 5a divided by 2 is equal to 1. So 2 is multiplied into y. We have x by a plus 2y divided by 5a is equal to 1. So here this equation is passing through 1 comma minus 4. So we substitute the value x and y in 1 comma minus 4. We have 1 divided by a, then 2 into minus 4 minus of 8 divided by 5a is equal to 1. So the equation is 1 divided by a minus 8 divided by 5a is equal to 1. So here we take LCM for 5a, then multiply into the 5 in the first fraction. So 1 5 are 5 minus 8 equal to 1. Then 5 minus 8 we have minus 3. So 1 into 5a is equal to 5 into a. So then a is equal to minus 3 divided by 5. So the value for a is equal to minus 3 divided by 5. Then value of b is equal to, next we find the value of b. Here b is equal to 5a divided by 2. So minus 3 divided by 5 is multiplied here. We have 5 into minus 3 divided by 5 divided by 2. So 5 3s are minus 15 divided by 5 2s are 10. So simplify into the fifth table, minus 3 divided by 2. So b is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So the value of a is equal to minus 3 by 5. Then value of b is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So the equation of the straight line already we know, x divided by a plus y divided by b equal to 1. This is in the intercept form. So substitute the value for a, x divided by minus 3 divided by 5 plus y divided by minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So 5 is multiplied here, 5x divided by minus 3, then plus 2y divided by minus 3 equal to 1. This is the equation for the line. The second one, passing through minus 8 comma 4 and making equal intercept on the coordinate equation. So we find the equation of the straight line. So the required line is passing through minus 8 comma 4 and making equal intercept on the axis. So equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and also the intercept is equal axis. So a is equal to a. We substitute the equation. So x divided by a, then y divided by a is equal to 1. Here x plus y divided by, we take LCM here, x plus y equal to a. Then here 1 multiply into a, we have x plus y is equal to a. This is equation number 1. So this line is passing through minus 8 comma 4. So substitute the value in x and y here, minus 8 plus 4 is equal to a. Then minus 8 plus 4, then minus 4 is equal to a. So the value of a is equal to minus 4. So the first equation, x plus y equal to a, then substitute the value for a in this equation, x plus y is equal to minus 4, then x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. So dear students, today we learned about some problems in exercise 5.3. Prepare well. Thank you.